Now that teenagers have been fully vaccinated, Taiwan is looking to offer a COVID vaccine to children from age 5 to 11. The CECC said a meeting would be held on March 24th to discuss the policy.
It said the rollout to children would depend on a vaccine obtaining emergency use approval from the Food and Drug Administration.
Second shots have already gone out to children aged 12 to 17. Now, the CECC plans to lower the vaccination age to 5 to 11. The rollout is contingent on a vaccine obtaining emergency use approval from the Food and Drug Administration.
The pharmaceutical company itself must submit its documents to the FDA's drug certification unit. Only then can a vaccine obtain emergency use authorization.
Medigen is approved for adults aged 20 and older, while AstraZeneca and Moderna are approved for those 18 and above. At present, only Pfizer is authorized for use on teens. Both Pfizer and Moderna have completed clinical trials for children aged 5 to 11, and officials say both are likely to secure FDA authorization. Doctors say that as COVID restrictions lift over time, community infections are bound to flare up again, putting unvaccinated children at risk.
If we are to loosen restrictions this summer, we have to make preparations in the second quarter. Once restrictions fully lift, school outbreaks for COVID will be as bad as those for the enterovirus. We need to hurry up and do the preventative work by protecting every child.
The doctor says vaccinating children can help protect older adults who live with them, but in vaccinating young children, adjustments to dosage are needed, as children tend to have a stronger immune response and side effects. In related news, the FDA has rejected Medigen's request for emergency use approval for recipients aged 12 to 18. Experts say Medigen needs to provide more definitive evidence of the vaccine's safety and efficacy on youth.
They can show that the immune response of Taiwanese teens vaccinated with Medigen is equal or greater to that of adults vaccinated with AstraZeneca. They can use a direct immunobridging method. That is a feasible solution. Approval is granted on the basis of scientific evidence through an assessment by experts. The vaccine still needs to go through review. At present, it appears that the required information has not been fully supplied.
Taiwan's booster coverage is still not at 50%, the target for lifting border restrictions. The CECC says its roadmap for lifting curbs will become clear after April.